the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me.
Hello there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. Today in this video, I'll be talking with you about a watch, and I'm pretty excited for it because this watch is from Noise, and the variant that I'm going to talk with you about is Noise ColorFit Pulse SPO2 Smartwatch. And guys, this watch have got 10 days of battery backup, which is 5 times more than my current Galaxy Watch 4. And in terms of price, this watch just cost me 2000 rupees. So generally the price vary in Amazon from 2000 to 2500, which is actually 13 times cheaper than my Galaxy Watch 4. But did the price make difference? In this video, we're gonna check this out. Okay, so let's unbox it and see what we got. Okay, so let me just quickly open this packet. And make sure whenever you are buying it, as you can see here, check the seal before accepting the package. Now let me just see what actually inside this box. Wow, here come our Noise watch. And except that, there is nothing but this gift wrapper package. I don't know why they kept it. Maybe they want to keep it like this. Cool. Now here is our watch package, and I can see it is sealed pack from all around with a very thin transparent polythene. And here we can see design in India and hash India most promising brand. And here you can also see it is wearable watch brand in India 2020. If we talk about its feature, here we can see it have got 1.4-inch touchscreen, multi-sports mode, whopping 10 days battery backup, which is quite amazing guys. And it also have got blood oxygen monitor, heart rate monitor, and is waterproof. What else you want guys from a watch? Wow, it's amazing. Except some feature that you find in a very expensive watch, for example calling feature, but this product is targeted for those customers who are like health freak. So let me just quickly unbox it, and then we will explore what actually we have. Okay, so let me just slide it like this. Wow. And here you can see this is warranty card, so you just need to scan this, and then it will take it to a particular website where you can register your product. Then there is this noise maker, Suno Dil Ka Sor, and these are cool tattoos, so if you want to apply it somewhere, you can apply it. Okay guys, time now came to show the watch. Okay. Okay, nothing else inside except this watch and this charger. So let me unbox it. So this is the charging cable. So let's keep it aside. And this is our watch. So here we can see, if I talk about the quality of this band, it is average, I would say, if I compare it with this Galaxy Watch. But again, the price that I paid for this is just 2000, and for this is 26,000. So obviously it may not able to match the quality of other premium watches, but still I would say it is very nice value for money watch. And here we go, we have got several type of sensors, which is heart rate monitor and blood oxygen sensor. Now let's just turn it on. And here we go guys, oh wow, look at the screen, it looked very nice. So let me just try to connect it with my phone. So now I require to scan this QR code. Okay, now I need to install an application from Play Store, and now let me just quickly install it. So this one is the app Noise Fit Health and Fitness. Agree. Now we will click on pair a device. And now what I need to do is I need to, I can either scan it or it have already, find it. So let's just scan it. And now guys, you can see the watch is about to pair with my phone. Now I need to accept and now get started. And here I need to enter some of my more detail, like I want to have a healthy lifestyle. I can choose, I have goal in my mind, and here you need to select any of these options. So I will be filling these information later on, but here let's have a look on watch. So it looks like this, and if I talk about the touch response, which is quite nice, I would say, the kind of response that it have. And here we go guys, if I swipe it right, here I can see sport mode, heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen, records, Bluetooth music, alarm, stopwatch, weather, and settings. And then we have got different watch faces also available. For example, this one look quite nice and futuristic. If I go here at the bottom, I can see this option which raise to wake, which means that whenever I wear this watch on my hand and if I raise it, it will automatically turn on the screen. Let me quickly show you with the help of this demo. So if I raise it, you can see the watch automatically turned on. So that's so cool. Okay guys, so this was my first impression of this Noise ColorFit Pulse SPO2 smartwatch. If you like it, then you can definitely buy it. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.